Hi, my dear students. You are sitting at home for almost 3 months now. Yeah, it's because of the corona outbreak and the lockdown. We have to keep ourselves safe. It's for our health. Yeah, I do understand all these, but I want to remind you few things. When you are sitting at home for a longer time, there are chances for you to become more lazy and lethargic. Plus, I know some of you have addiction for the electronic screen. You will be watching mobile, TV or computer for a longer time during the night, and then morning you will be getting up late. So children, please don't do all these. Okay, you should go to bed if possible before 10 p.m. and get up by 6 o'clock or 7 latest. And you should have a proper schedule. Every day you should allot 1 hour for watching the online videos sent by teachers, then another 1 hour for writing the notes and studying it, then yet another 1 hour for revising all the portions which you got through the online. Then you have to help your mummy daddy at home, then go out, inside your house campus. You can just walk through the courtyard, then plant some trees or plants. If you don't have big courtyard, you can go to the terrace. You can have some vegetables there. Concentrate on the vegetable gardening or other gardening and take care of some pet animals. Watch nature. All these should be done, and whatever talents you have, try to nurture the talents. Singing, dancing, whatever you want, even the painting, drawing, all these can be done. And learn some cooking from your mummy. Become self-sufficient. Since you are not going to the school, you can do some course at home also, like you can wash your clothes by yourself, wash the vessels. All these should be done and keep yourself refreshed. Today I have something else to tell you, that you might have heard about the government plans. Our state government, they are coming forward with big educational plans. For the children who are sitting at home, there will be online classes through Victor's TV. And these classes, I need all my students to watch. They are planning to have separate timetable for different standards. Once I get the timetable, I will forward it to you. Otherwise, you also take care. It will be published in the paper and TV channels and all. So whenever your turn is coming, you have to sit in front of the TV and watch the classes. Because it doesn't matter what syllabus you are studying in CBSE, ICSE, state or international, all these syllabi, all the portions are almost the same. The subject topics are almost the same, only approach is different. So you can learn lot of things from these classes. Only thing is, those classes may be, sometimes I'm not sure, it may be in Malayalam, but doesn't matter. You can learn from your text, the English version of it, or you can clarify the doubts with your teachers, or when the teachers are taking the online classes, you are again getting an opportunity to learn the same thing in English. But the most important thing is you have to learn. So I need all of you to watch all these lessons which are going to come in the Victor's channel. Even our class 12 students, you can learn the content well, and if you know the content, it will help you to appear for the competitive exams and all. When I'm saying about the competitive exams, I told you this year onwards I will be offering Riju and PSK entrance coaching for my 11th and 12th standard science students. Yeah, we will go ahead with that. But Riju and PSK, they need 50 students, then only they will conduct the classes. But see, once I decide to help my children, I will not be depending on only one plan. I will have some alternate plans also available. So all the alternative methods are being thought about, and if we don't get 50 students, then also you will have the entrance coaching. I will be approaching some other institute, they will be offering the classes for you. So all these are taken care of, and I know the difficult times are going to pass on, and we will have a better academic year next year. So when the arrangements are being done, I need my children to be happy and refreshed. Plus, you have to learn at home. So when all these children are sitting at home, and even the rural area children are going to learn from the TV, I need my children also to take care of all these opportunities available. See, I always tell you, opportunities knock at your door only once. You have to grab the opportunity and make use of it. So these are all wonderful opportunities going to be available to learn at home. So please make use of it. You follow a proper schedule, and then feel like you are doing something every day. That feeling should be there. Okay, so stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. More than that, be happy. Okay, and wait for a better tomorrow. Only few more days, then we are going to pass it. Okay, have a great day. Thank you. Take care.